Alright, here's how to install my MCreator. So I went to the website here, I will go to download. And these downloads are for PC. We are going to be installing this on a Mac, so I'm going to click on the Mac link here. And I am going to get this zip file here. And it takes me to this site full of ads and things I definitely do not want to click on. But up in the top right I can click skip ad. And then I can click download. And then close all these ads of things that we definitely do not want to install on our computer. So we're going to let that download here. So this is a zip file. We have to unzip this file. So I am going to double click on it. That's going to unzip it and make this folder here. And now that I have that folder, I'm going to want to put that folder in a place that I can get to. So I'm going to just take that folder and put it in my applications folder. So take that and drag it into applications there. And if I go to applications, I should now see where it is. MCreator. There it is. Alright. So now after I do that, I need to do the next few things here. The first thing it says to do is install JDK 6 or greater on my Mac. So I'm going to open up a new one here and go find the Java JDK Mac. And I'm going to download. It looks like we're up to 8 now. It's going to take me to this page right here. And I'm going to find Mac OS 10 x64. I'm going to download this, accept the license agreement, and come over here and download this. So I'm going to let that download, and after it downloads I will install that. Alright, it says downloaded. I'm going to open this up. And run through the install here. Type in the password. Alright, so I can close that out, close this out as well, get rid of that. And now I'm ready to follow the next step. So it says open terminal. To do that, I'm going to click on the spotlight search here and type in terminal. My spotlight might look a little different, but it's the same. You just go up there and type it in. And here we go. And now I'm going to type in these commands, or you can just copy and paste them in. So I'm going to take this here, copy it, paste it in. And when I do this, it gives me an error. So the first thing I need to do using the terminal is change the folder that I'm working in. And to use that, I'm going to use a command called cd, which stands for change directory. So I'm going to type in cd space, and I'm going to drag this folder from my applications where I just put it, and drag it and drop it on there. When you see that, I'll see I get this whole path, all this text that basically says change the directory that I'm in to this folder here. So I'm going to hit enter, and now I can try that again. So I can copy this, go over to my terminal window, paste it in, hit enter, and nothing. It comes back down the next line. I have no errors that shows up, which I know means that it worked. So now the next thing I do is do the next line, and this actually all this is all one line here. So I'm going to copy all that, come over here and paste it in, and it says permission denied. So if that happens, it says here you might need to run them using, let's close this out. You might need to run them using sudo. Sudo stands for super user do. Stop that. Super user do. So I want to become the super user. So I'm going to type that same command in. So I'm going to do sudo and then paste all that in there. And it's going to ask me to type in my password. This has an administrator password of your computer. It's the password we use to install software. So I'm going to type in that password and press enter. And you'll see I get the thing comes back, which means that it went. Alright, so now if I want to run MCreator, I'm changing directory to that folder, which we already did. Remember, to change directory, we do cd, and we drag this in. So now I can run this command, copy it, paste it in, and in a second here, we should see MCreator starts up. All right, there it is. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, if you want to start MCreator up again, if you came to your computer next time and you wanted to open up MCreator, what you would do is click on the spotlight, type in terminal. So after we've installed it, we want to run it. So we would go here and we would change our directory to be in that folder. So we'd say cd and then drag and drop this in. And then we would type in that command that we had to type in, which was /MCreator. So I can do /MCreator, press enter, and it's going to start the program. And that's how you install and open MCreator.